So now is the time to talk about the fourth aspect of Instagram marketing advanced course. And in this very video, we are going to take a look at the IGTV and live Instagram section app. And because we have already talked about live in the previous episodes, this video will be very specific about IGTV. We are not going to talk about live section that we have already talked in the basics course. It is totally free of cost and it is very easy to go live from mobile applications. I have already talked about that in the basics course. So now we will be talking about the IGTV section. What is IGTV? What is Instagram television, and how you can use that for your purpose, for building the brand, for growth of your business, for growth of your profile page, personal profile page. How you can do all those things with IGTV. How is IGTV going to help you with that, with increasing your followers and reach? There are lots of things that you need to take care of when you are using IGTV. What are they? Let us talk about those things basically. Welcome to IGTV, our new video app. It is totally for video, guys, and that is what it is released for. It was just released for creating and uploading videos specifically for the Instagram, and that is what is IGTV. If you see the official website of Instagram, about about.instagram.com, that will teach you about the Instagram itself. That website is going to teach you a lot of things about the IGTV, reels or content creation, policies for you guys, about the monetization on Instagram. That blog will teach you every single thing, and that is why you should check out that blog very frequently, because updates happen a lot of times on that. Now this is going to be a very short video because of the IGTV is not a big topic to cover, but I just want to make sure that you cover that in this course, because everything related to Instagram should be covered, and that is why I am covering IGTV as soon as possible. So that is one thing. When you open the IGTV is different in few ways. First, it's built for how you actually use your phone, so videos are full screen and vertical. Also, unlike on Instagram, videos aren't limited for 1 minute. Instead, each video can be an hour long, up to an hour long. That is the power of IGTV. On Instagram, we can upload reels and videos of about 60 seconds to 90 seconds, but on IGTV, a video can be an hour long or so, and that is the basic difference between using Instagram and IGTV application. And basically, for businesses out there, whenever their live sections occur, whenever they want to make a product launch, and whenever they want to announce something new and big change in their business, at that time they can use the IGTV application over the Instagram app, and because that will eventually get a lot of traffic to you guys from the videos all that you upload. Now, as like TV, IGTV has channels, but in IGTV, creators are the channels. When you follow a creator on Instagram, the IGTV channel will show up for you to watch. Anyone can be a creator. You can upload your own IGTV videos in the app or on the web to start your own channel. That is what is IGTV. It is just like the televisions that you are using in your home, but unlike the television channels, here creators are the channel themselves. They are the channels which they upload videos and put pictures that will pop up on your screen as the channel content for your Instagram IGTV. Then after that, that is all about the Instagram, what we can say, IGTV thing. But most importantly, IGTV has been playing a major role in growing businesses out there, and because of that it has been promoted a lot of times by people out there, and on this blog you will get to know about that very in detail. And because of that, by the way, what is this blog all about? This is the about Instagram blog, which will teach you about everything. This will teach you about the home, about us journey of Instagram, features that it offers, reels, stories, and all those things that it has. Messenger. There's a lot of things that people need to know about Instagram, and that all features are over here in this features section. If you go over here in the reels section, you can see the content about reels, and that is what it is telling to you guys. The blog about Instagram is one thing that every people out there kind of goes through. Whenever you want to see the updates about Instagram, whatever is happening in Instagram world, newest features out there, you can have a look at this blog of about Instagram. That will teach you a lot about Instagram itself from the start to the end, and which things you should do to get viral, and which things you should not do. Both the things are covered over there in that blog, same thing. Now that was pretty much everything that I wanted to share in this very video, because this is going to be a very short video in which we are going to just cover the IGTV part, because the live part has been already covered in the basics course. And if you don't know how to go live on Instagram using mobile, it is just simply the couple of clicks over here and there. When you click on the plus on a create button, there's just the live section over there that you can take a look at, and you can start live from that. And even if you don't know, you can take a look at the basics course of Instagram that we have already covered in that, how to go live and how to do things in the live section. So it was pretty much it that what I wanted to share in this very video. I hope that you learn something valuable and you get something valuable from this video as well. And with this I conclude here this video of Instagram IGTV and live section, and surely take a look at this blog about Instagram. It will teach you a lot about the different things, growing from a very small to how you can make your page look professional and grow exponentially. There are a lot of tips over there in the blog section, so definitely check this out. It is going to give great insights about how Instagram works, its algorithm, and a lot of things according to that. So with this I conclude here this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.